After cleaning siphon jets, run a targeted sequence to confirm the flush is fully restored and no residues remain. Start by preparing a bleach and water mixture using 1 part household bleach to 10 parts water and pour it slowly into the toilet tank around the overflow tube so the solution reaches areas affected by biofilm and mineral deposits. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes to chemically break down remaining organic matter and loosen mineral buildup without scrubbing the porcelain. After the soak, flush the toilet once to draw the solution through the bowl and jets, watching the action to confirm a strong siphon and full water evacuation from the bowl. If the flush remains weak, repeat the pour and soak cycle one more time and follow with another flush to force stubborn deposits out of the jet holes and trapway. While the tank is refilling, inspect the bowl surface and rim for visible marks or staining and remove them with a non-abrasive brush using a mild acid cleaner such as diluted white vinegar applied directly to the stain for a few minutes before brushing. Finish by running one more flush and a visual check of the trapway and rim jets. A consistent, powerful flush and clear water line indicate successful restoration. Common problems include persistent weak flush caused by partial blockage in the trapway or jets, which you can solve by repeating targeted soaking and using a narrow plumbing brush to clear remaining obstructions. Another issue is chemical residue or discoloration after using strong cleaners. To avoid that, always follow with multiple freshwater flushes and a final rinse cycle to remove residual cleaner and neutralize odors. A third frequent concern is damaged or misaligned components in the tank, like a warped flapper or wrong water level that mimic clog symptoms. Fix this by adjusting the float to raise the water level to the manufacturer, recommended mark, or replace the flapper if it does not seal properly, then retest the flush. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical maintenance guidance related to tasks like finalizing toilet work. On our site, we also help contractors find work and build reputation while hosting a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot repairs together.